Hi, I'm Ani.
Hi, I'm Ayushman.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Kapoor.
Subscribe to Siddharth Karan's YouTube channel now.
चंडीगढ़ कड़े आशिकी, जी हां, आशिकी करते हुए सिद्धार्थ कनन विद वानी कपूर और उनके दो बड़े भाई इस वक्त आयुष्मान खुराना। ताली बजाइए दोनों भाइयों के लिए, एवरीबॉडी कम ऑन। यस यस। मुझे पता है कि जब आप सेट पे आई आप बहुत इमोशनल होगी कि मैं दो भाइयों के साथ काम कर रही हूँ, एंड यू ऑलवेज वांटेड एल्डर ब्रदर्स।
Yeah, but you weren't there. You weren't available, so I had to make do with them. No, why weren't you there?
मेरे में भाई
You
वाली
are
फीलिंग
my
है नहीं।
favorite of all. Out of all my brothers, you're my most favorite. You know that?
तुम बहुत कंफ्यूज
भाई
हो
वाली
चुके हो।
फीलिंग है, फादर वाली फीलिंग है।
अरे
तुम मेरे बड़े भाई के बारे में आ रही मेरे लिए, बट मैंने सुना बचपन से तुमने कहा आई वांट टू वर्क विद माय ब्रदर्स इन अ फिल्म लाइक दिस। तो जब सेट पे ये दोनों आए, मैंने सुना तुम पैर छुई, इन लोगों का आशीर्वाद लिया। हाउ वाज दैट मोमेंट?
ऐसे आयुष्मान भव।
अरे बचपन से वो पंचलाइन मारे और आज तक टिका हुआ है भाई। That's a-
अच्छा काम करना बेटी, मैंने तो ये कहा था।
actually, yeah, you did say something like that.
Really?
Think like it's your that I'm like your family, and you can come and communicate anything, no matter what, and we're all family here.
क्या बात है। 1990s के बाद, between 1990s and 2000 he was the stud and now he's become the father figure.
He is still the stud.
मुझे माफ
He's
करो
the
इस
star.
मामले में।
Seriously, he's the stud.
ऐसा क्या?
बानी में बोलते हैं he's the
Yeah,
best director.
Yeah.
I'm nothing like
Why
that.
shooting?
please.
Come on.
No,
Come
nothing
on.
like that.
Don't ignore this. You know the reality.
The reality, I don't know the reality.
ऐसे क्या? मैंने इनको देखा हुआ है नाइट क्लब्स एंटर करते हुए। एक जमाने में क्या स्वैग था भाई।
Really got to? I can't imagine.
I can.
Well,
I have seen it.
that was another lifetime. Like, I had no work, I had
Like
no
a couple
nothing to
of
do in the daytime. तो मैं रात भटकता था, रात भर हर नाइट क्लब जाता था।
क्योंकि काम नहीं था।
काम नहीं था, फिर जाओ रात को बाहर ताकि फिर लेट उठो, फिर लेट उठोगे तो फिर दिन कम रहता है स्ट्रगल करने के लिए और सर फोड़ने के लिए, और क्योंकि कितना रिजेक्शन सह सकते हो आप।
क्या तुम्हें भी इनकी तरह इतना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा? क्योंकि तुम भी एक नॉन फिल्म फैमिली से आई हो। मैंने सुना कि एक्चुअली एक टाइम पर तुम खुद को सपोर्ट करने लगी थी, राइट?
मैं अभी भी अब खुद को ही सपोर्ट करती हूँ, कोई और सपोर्ट नहीं करता मुझे।
बट मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं एक्टरों के बारे में, इनकी ज़िंदगी लगती बहुत रंगीन है, बहुत अच्छी है, मगर आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब। You have to put yourself inside the head of an actor to understand the kind of pressures and the kind of complexities they deal with. You're always in the spotlight. It is. I believe that it is literally that. You know, you've got, even if you're not shooting, but the spotlight's always on you. So you are actually blinded by things that are beyond the lights. You know, and you're constantly trying to imagine. And then, I mean, there's so many. I think sometimes existential questions that also crop up. कि सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, what I should do, and people are looking at you all the time. It may look great, but on the inside, I believe that actors go through a lot of crush.
बताओ तुम्हारा भी
Unless you're
struggle हुआ है
Ayushmann
ना?
Khurrana and just go with the flow and
I
just.
agree with Gattu. Whatever he said to the T.
मैंने सुना कि तुम जब आई थी तुम्हारे पास इतना पैसा नहीं था और तुमने माने रॉक कर दिया उसके बाद। And you said I am going to be acting.
I was modeling, but when Shavna Sharma said that come to Bombay, start living here and audition, I said I don't have the means to come and stay in Bombay because I don't know anyone. Firstly, मेरी family नहीं है, friends नहीं है, it's a different city. I'm not gonna, and I know eventually you'll go to a star or somebody known actor already. So I don't think I want to come and struggle. So she actually, Vairav actually sent me a ticket and they sent me, and she arranged my stay, and she said you don't have to pay a penny and we are gonna do everything for you. You just come and audition, and that's. It sounds so rosy right now. No, but it was a long audition.
But what did they see? What did they see of yours to extend that?
I don't know. I don't know. I keep wondering actually. Wow. I don't know what they saw.
सर मुझसे ये सवाल पूछो ना सर, उनसे क्या पूछो? What did they see? मैं बताता, पूछो ये वापस सवाल।
क्या देखा उन्होंने मुझ में?
टैलेंट, खूबसूरती, वाइब, ऑनेस्टी, ये सब।
Indeed.
ताली बजाओ भाई, ताली, बहुत अच्छा है। ये सच में बोल रहा हूँ, मस्ती नहीं करो, जेन्युइनली। अब पर मुझे बताओ, जब तुमने ये बॉडी बनाई, आई हर्ड कि जब तुम्हें बोला गया था कि भाई ये बॉडी के बाद टी शर्ट पहनो, शर्ट पहनो, यू डिडंट वांट इट, यू वांटेड टू जस्ट एक्सपोज दैट फिजिक ऑफ योर्स थ्रू आउट द सेट।
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं। He was the one who used to t-shirt उतारो. I was happy wearing a jacket.
I have
Seriously.
Ayushmann is a sport. He's a guy who is an effortless actor. But going to the gym and hitting that gym really hard requires another kind of state of mind which he doesn't come from. But he did it. I swear, I went to Chandigarh for a recce and I went to see him working out. If I was living in Chandigarh, I would be sitting with him every day. To see every rep, I would be counting. But fortunately for him, I wasn't. But when I went there, he was on that gym and in lockdown. Please, we must tell you that we shot this entire film. In fact, we must be the first few films to step out. The moment the first lockdown got lifted, we went out to make a movie with 200, 300 people, and gyms were locked down. So we got an empty gym, and he was in there killing it and giving it his best.
क्या बात है, माने कि तुम ये बॉडी नहीं एक्सपोज करना चाहते, तुम्हें जबरदस्ती एक्सपोज करवाया गया।
एब्सोल्युटली, मैं तो ये बोल रहा था कि मुझे ना लाइट वेट बॉक्सर बना दो फिल्म के, ये लिफ्टिंग वगैरह छोड़ दो। No, you have to look like a different Ayushmann.
I just pushed him to his limit. I said,
Reintroducing.
He saw the images I sent him. He was like frightened. I said, ये इतना बड़ा, मतलब ये तो मैं इतना फट जाऊंगा इससे ज़्यादा, मैं इतना बड़ा बन जाऊंगा. But we had to push him to this limit so then he could give what he could give.
ये बॉडी मुझे भी दे दो आयुष्मान।
अभी तो कम हो गई है. I have to reduce for my other film, but yeah.
तो जब आयुष्मान को तुमने विदाउट शर्ट देखा, was it difficult focusing on your lines? क्योंकि लाली भी टपकती है ना, लाली भी टपकती है कि यार डिलिशियस, तो लाली पे फोकस कर रही थी कि लाइंस पे।
But can I be honest, मेरे सारे को एक्टर्स ने मुझसे ज़्यादा एक्सपोज किया है अपनी हर फिल्म में। Be it War, be it Ranveer Singh in Befikre, I mean he was his famous red chaddi scene, you know that. So everybody has been exposing. No, but I think he's done a tremendous job, and hats off to him. He completely transformed.
We should have pushed it to a full Monty with Ayushmann on this one.
Yeah.
In fact, we were
pulling
and I was okay with it.
So he had no idea. We tried to pull a prank on him, and I told Gattu, let's convince him that there'll be a shot of him fully stripping, like exactly like how Ranveer did in his his briefs. And he first, I think Ayushmann got a little nervous initially, and then he just very politely said, "अच्छा ठीक है, करना पड़ेगा, okay, कर लूँगा."
He was pleased. We were pulling a prank on him, but he
actually
took a second. He said, "Okay, sir," and it was a butt shot of his that we wanted.
He gave in.
क्या
He should
यार?
have just done it only.
I should have.
जो ये आदमी बोलेगा
But then again, the censors might not have passed.
नहीं,
But then maybe they've seen it. They would have said, "Whoa, this everybody should see."
And with Ayushmann, why not? Yeah, it's a good sight, I'm sure. I don't know about it. I've never thought about it, but I'm saying sure.
But now you are.
नहीं यार,
Stop it now.
But you know, I like this. माने ये surrender करता है to the director, to the film, and it's evident in every film of his. चंडीगढ़ तुम्हारा होम टाउन, तुम पैदा हुए थे वहाँ पे, राइट? तो जब ये आशिकी वाला सीन आया, did you have moments तुम्हारे सामने कि स्कूल में मैंने यहाँ लाइन मारा, यहाँ पे प्रपोज किया, यहाँ रिजेक्ट हुआ?
Listen, I was in all boys school and all boys college, तो इतनी प्रपोजल, इतने रिजेक्शंस हुए नहीं लाइफ में।
ऐसे क्या?
हाँ, ऐसा ही हुआ मेरे साथ। हाँ, ये है कि मैंने सुखना लेक पे काफ़ी डेट पे गया हूँ और हमेशा पुलिस ने पकड़ा। और जब हम शूट कर रहे थे सुखना लेक में, मुझे डर लगा था पुलिस ना पकड़ लेंगे। So I was very nervous. But yeah, of course we were shooting that time and they were like police for our protection. मुझे लगा यही मुझे पकड़ के ले जाएंगे, क्या कर रहे हैं आप? So because yeah, it happens all the time.
क्या बात है, माने उस समय तुमने ऐसी हरकतें क्या की जिसकी वजह से तुम्हें लगा कि पुलिस पकड़ेगी तुमको?
यार वहाँ पे तुम हाथ पकड़ के चल लो ना लड़की, ऐसा पुलिस पकड़ ले जाती है।
ऐसा क्या?
यहाँ भी ऐसा होता है
अच्छा।
रेक्लेमेशन में देखो आपने।
इसको इतना एक्सपीरियंस है ना चंडीगढ़ रेक्लेमेशन, इज एक्चुअली
रेक्लेमेशन देखा है मैंने, यहाँ कुछ किया नहीं है।
But you know, coming to you, Vani, हमारे to work with Abhishek Kapoor, especially इसकी last couple of films बहुत respect कमाई है, केदारनाथ हो with its the Rock On series and stuff like that. क्या जब इनके साथ बैठी थी तुमने कहा यार मैं चुटकी काट रही हूँ कि यार मैं इसके साथ फाइनली काम कर रही हूँ?
No, it was a no-brainer to work with him. Like the fact that he even thought of me was just, I was excited from day one, and for me it's just a blessing. It came out of nowhere and it just happened, and I have to say even Ayushmann kind of recommended my name for the film. So
क्या बात ऐसे क्या?
suggested.
That is true.
इतने साल की दोस्ती में 20 साल में तुमने एक बार मुझे recommend
मैं
किया?
जानता भी नहीं था।
We barely knew
Yeah,
each other.
मतलब एक शो किया था हमने साथ में बस।
Yeah.
That was like 5 years back.
And that got me war. That show got me war.
Really?
Because Ritik said you're the. I connected with you when I saw you goof up on stage, which I don't remember when I goofed up. But then he said I saw you and I was like, oh my god, she's so like me. And then yeah, he said, okay, let's take her. So I got war then.
I've been very lucky for her.
And yeah. So I got war then and yeah.
अच्छा ऐसा कभी हुआ है तुम्हारे लाइफ में? बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैं देखता हूँ थ्रू द ट्रेलर रिजेक्शन इन लव, कभी हुआ है तुम्हारे साथ रिजेक्शन इन लव और तुमने कहा यार ये क्या हो गया ऐसे, और कितनों को तुमने रिजेक्ट किया है? गिन रही है ऐसे दिमाग में, एक वो था, दो,
I don't know, I wouldn't call it rejection, but sometimes things don't work out and then you make peace with it. You don't mull over it. I don't mull over things and people for very long.
क्या बात है यार, एक बहुत सिचुएशनल चीज है जो हम सब ने रिलेट की है। जैसे आयुष्मान लिफ्ट कर रहे हैं वेट्स, वो बेंड करते हैं और सडनली वो छोड़ देते हैं।
You're talking about the fart?
Yes, absolutely. उसको छोड़ना भी खेलता फेंकता भी है, ठीक है, वो फाट होता है। ऐसा जेन्युइनली हुआ है when you've been in like a meeting with big people, yeah? कभी कभार 5-star होटल में बैठे, so you know the philosophy of this thing film is characters like, तुमने एक छोड़ दिया।
You can do that again.
हाँ?
You do that again.
ऐसे
That's I know what that could have been. That could have been a bit of.
but
Chole
genuinely-
Bhature gives that kind of sound.
तुमने छोड़ा है? जेन्युइनली बोलो।
नहीं,
कभी नहीं।
नहीं,
माने आवाज वाली की बात नहीं करो, साइलेंट वन की भी बात कर रहा हूं मैं।
नहीं.
Enact that also.
साइलेंट
Not in front of people.
अच्छा
Silent ones are there for sure. यार, कभी ना कभी तो मतलब.
अगर यहाँ तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
But you can just दो तीन कदम लेके
Club
चले,
और-
पता नहीं किसने.
I must have. Yeah, it's a normal
Good.
phenomena. Why not? I mean,
Or a
why be
sport.
ashamed? It's very natural to release gas. Do you not release gas? I mean,
It's
it
not a
can,
gender thing.
It can be
Yeah.
very poisonous if you actually hold it. But luckily, I don't have to like. Mine ain't that bad. Like how you just showed.
मुझे लगता है ना वी शुड टेक फाट मोटिवेशंस फ्रॉम हर हाउ टू बी कूल अबाउट इट
Very just be like
But her
nonchalant.
expressions were also cool in the film, ना? कि हाँ
Be
ठीक है हो गया,
nonchalant.
चलो it's fine.
Yeah.
ऐसा क्या या आई लव द फैक्ट इट्स वेरी रिलेटेबल जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा बिफोर द इंटरव्यू इतने सारे सीन्स होते हैं फिल्म में व्हिच इज रिलेटेबल फॉर एग्जांपल तुम लड़की आए या पंपिंग आयरन एंड ऑल यू नो व्हाट आई मीन तुम एक जिम में काम वर्कआउट करते थे जहां हम भी थे लाइक वेव्स जिम
Yeah, of course, yes.
हैव यू ट्राइड टू इंप्रेस गर्ल्स वर्किंग आउट
Never, yeah. Seriously,
इट्स सो पासे मैन हां कभी नहीं
कभी नहीं. मतलब with songs, guitar, talent and everything, yes, but not with gym.
अभिषेक
What about
impressed ladies walking in huh
in a gym? No, I don't think a gym is for that space actually. I think I would go in and do it really diligently and focused. But it's after the gym, what you do over there is बाहर लेके जाके दिखाना. मतलब यहाँ पे बॉडी नहीं बनेगी और बाहर कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. अब सिर्फ जिम के चक्कर लगाते रह जाओगे.
वानी तुम्हारे साथ तो पक्का हुआ होगा जब जिम में 100% आई गारंटी यू
For sure.
She doesn't look at anyone
I don't.
while gymming.
Yeah, you're right. I'm literally I focus
Yeah.
on my own thing and I out of the gym.
ऐसा क्या ये झूठ बोल रही है यू मस्ट
Also, I've not really witnessed cute guys in my gym.
ऐसा क्या कौन सी जिम आप जाती है ये बताओ
I
यशराज।
yeah.
वहाँ कोई नहीं है, खाली अकेला
So
जिम है.
sad. But वहाँ पे बड़े-बड़े posters लगे हुए हैं अलग-अलग actors के.
Yeah.
तो बस उनको
Those are the
देखते
only people who can check me out and I can check them back out.
have
Picture.
genuinely you tried to impress someone while working out you must have done it बहुत से लोग करते हैं मैंने किया हुआ है यार
While working out, no, not.
otherwise
Yeah, of course. Like otherwise, yeah.
तो क्या करती है जैसे अगर तीन क्यूट बॉयज बैठे हुए हैं और आप पास कर रही तो आप कैसे उनको इंप्रेस करेंगे जैसे
So
हम तीन-
firstly, I don't go and impress anyone. I hope I like wait for the guy to impress me. So it's the other way around.
क्या बात है यार
I'm
ये?
sounding so immodest.
Come on, it should not be a gender thing.
है ना
It's not
Like-
a
just like
gender-
fart.
It's a,
है ना?
it's a,
Yeah.
I think it's a personal choice kind of a thing, you know.
नहीं पर मैं genuinely बोल रहा हूँ why can't you go and impress a boy यार
It's not in my personality. It's nothing to do
Fine,
with
yeah.
gender. And I'm not being a sexist here. It's just to do with the person that I am.
ऐसा क्या
Yeah.
I don't think she really needs to do much, you know. If she just sits there well poised, I think it does the job. What more is she going to do? She can't go and dance in front of him.
Exactly.
Look at her.
And I have these big walls in front of me, so somebody would really like have to penetrate through those walls and like kind of make their
ये
way
वॉल हम लोग तोड़ने वाले हैं है कि नहीं
with your fart.
यार ये
सारी walls पिघल जाएंगी उस part से.
यार okay if in your life you had to do ashki with these actresses
Yeah.
what kind of a date would you like to take them out for ठीक है मैं थोड़े नाम बताऊंगा कतरीना कैफ
The hottest.
Yeah, she is.
बहुत सोच रहे हो किसी और के साथ डेट पे चली जाएगी भाई
वो जा चुकी है.
इमेजिन नहीं जा चुकी है हाँ
Listen, I can't dance like her. I don't know, man. Katrina Kaif. But yeah, Vicky's a Punjabi, so I'm sure there's some Punjabi connect for sure.
तुम पंजाबी में बोल के इम्प्रेस कर दोगे
हाँ.
ठीक है कृति सानन
Like she's from Delhi, so I have a good connect with her.
हाँ
I think we'll gel well.
ओके भूमि पेडनेकर
Bombay Connect.
वो तो इतनी
Delhi
फिल्में कर
connect
चुका हूँ उसके
Bombay
साथ. मैक्सिमम फिल्म तो भूमि के साथ ही हुई है. So yeah, उसके साथ I think बस चिल करके ना चाय की टपरी में बैठ जाओ. She's like such a chiller. कोई टेंशन नहीं है.